Okay, so we just got this brand new remote control car. What do you think of that, buddy?
Yeah,
Yeah, you think it's cool?
I think it is.
What does it look like?
It looks like a ghost.
A ghost? Or
Yeah.
a dinosaur? Or a monster? Or something like that?
Yeah, it does look like it is.
You want to see something really cool?
Yeah.
Watch this.
Whoa.
Whoa, what is that?
That's a light up monster
A
car.
light up monster. Yeah. Okay, you want to drive it?
Yeah.
Okay, before we drive it, I'm gonna show you a couple of features, and then we'll test drive it. Okay, so it flashes like that when it's not paired to the remote, I think. So you hold that down, and it should be ready to go. So now it's static, which means that I think we're paired, ready to go. Couple cool things is it's got like a dual rotating axle or whatever on both sides, which keeps it basically from being able to get stuck on anything. It can flip and twist in every different direction and still stay upright. And then on the controller, which is really simple, you've just got these two joysticks, and then this button right here. You press that button, buddy. This button right here.
Okay.
So you press that button, it turns the lights on and off, which is pretty cool. But I think it's a lot cooler with the lights on, so we're gonna leave them on. And then each one of the joysticks controls the different driving settings.
Look at his eyes.
Yeah, look at his eyes. You see that? That's cool. Yeah. And then last thing, real quick, Brady, there's one really cool button, this button right here, and it sets it on like freak out mode. Press that button.
This one?
Yep.
Wow!
There it goes.
It makes it go! Wow! Wow!
There it goes. It's stuck. Uh-oh.
That was so cool.
Oh, hold on. It's still going.
I can go faster. Wow. I think three of it.
Is that crazy?
Yeah.
So something else cool is not only can you drive it in the dark, which is pretty cool because it's got all of those lights, but you can drive it on basically any sort of surface like gravel or the road or grass or the patio.
What's this?
So we're gonna let little man here drive it and see what happens. You ready?
Yeah.
Here you go. Remote's all yours. Use the two joysticks. Drive it.
Okay.
Go.
Whoa.
Is that cool? Go get it. Go get it.
What? It can go. It can go on the grass.
Yeah. Oh, you ran into Sissy scooter. Here, you want to try it in the gravel?
Yeah.
Oh, go get it. Let's try in the gravel.
Yeah. Wow.
Is that cool?
It can go backwards.
It goes backwards. Can you drive back over here? You're stuck.
I think I gotta move it out of the way. Wait, let's try the blue one.
All right, let's try it.
Maybe it can go super speed and when it lights up. Ooh,
So what do you think? Is it awesome?
I think it is awesome.
You think it is awesome? You like driving it?
Yeah,
All right, you want to drive it some more?
yeah.
All right, look and say, check it out.
Check it out.
forgot to mention one thing that I just wanted to add before we finish up. We played with it long enough to run the battery out, but what's really cool is it comes with an extra rechargeable battery. So you can swap it out, plug one in, let it charge while you play with the second one, and then hopefully swap it out again while that one has charged up, keep going. So check it out, see what you think. My kiddo loves it, yours might too.